You don't see this every day. I'm Danielle Flynn out with Joel, Alice Cooper, Morgan for City of the Week. We're in Utica at a cool place called Pets and Things Reptile Emporium. And Joel and I are collectively holding a 13-foot Burmese python. Like, this baby wraps around, and she is so sweet. Now, while Joel and I are being careful to be nice to the snake, right, Joel?
That's right.
Then we are going to have some turtle races going on, and Joel and I are going to cheer on our turtles. I'm cheering for Sherman, and Joel, you're cheering for?
Maxwell the tortoise.
That is correct. And we're going to see which turtle wins while trying not to tick off this very nice snake. She's a good girl. All right, so we're getting ready to let the turtles go. Stephen, our cameraman's going to walk back to the starting line for our tortoises, where we have them baited with cherry tomatoes. When you're dealing with animals, nobody knows what will happen.
Like Pac-Man style.
Exactly.
Approach the cherry tomatoes.
If we had some Pac-Man music right now, this would probably be even more incredible. And on your mark, get set, go.
Oh, turtle, come on, Maxwell.
Come on, Sherman. Come on. Now, these turtles are both more than 50 years old. And for turtles...
Look at him go. He's my guy.
Come on, Sherman. Come on, Sherman. Come on. Come on. Who's a good turtle? Who wants a tomato? Who wants a tomato? Sherman wants the tomato. Come on, Sherman. Come on. He's going to slow up eating that tomato. You're going to eat faster. You're going to eat faster.
No, man. Come on. Get the next one.
Get there. Yeah. You don't even want that one. There's a better one down here, Sherman. There's a better one down here. Push it. Push it. Sherman. Sherman.
Oh, no.
That is not what we want to see, Sherman. That is not even close to what we want to see.
He's not in his lane, Donnie.
Oh, my God.
Maxwell.
I don't know. They still got 2 more tomatoes to eat to make it to the finish line, Joel. This is not good.
I don't know. Well, we didn't think it was going to go very fast on y'all. They are tortoises. They're over 50 years old, I'm told.
That is correct, yes. And I believe it was Sherman was actually born in captivity, as are a lot of the animals, reptiles here at Pets and Things Reptile Emporium.
Where they sustain the species.
That is right.
They don't take
very
anything
caring
out of
people.
captivity.
I'm telling you.
They sustain the species.
I love the vibe here because you can tell they genuinely care for these living creatures, and they're extremely knowledgeable and good at it.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to have to.
I think we're going to have to call Maxwell.
Dude.
Let's call Maxwell.
Sherman is just laying there later.
Maxwell, my tortoise.
Oh, my God.
Look at him go.
Maxwell is now my tortoise.
All right, check us out.
All right, we are live with a 13-foot python at Pets and Things Reptile Emporium with WCSX. I told you, speak nicely around the snake. Speak nicely around the snake.